we'll guide you through how to use a Printful discount code. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Printful website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the product section where you want to make a purchase. Browse through the available products and add your chosen items to the cart by clicking on the ADDTO cart button. After adding all your desired products, go to the top right corner and click on the cart icon to review your selections. On the cart page, you'll see a summary of your items. Look for the discount code box, usually near the bottom or on the right side of the page. Enter your discount code in this box. Double-check the code to ensure it's entered correctly, then click on the Apply MIPOS button. You should see the discount applied to your total order amount almost instantly. If the code is valid, your total should adjust to reflect the discounted amount. If the code doesn't work, it's a good idea to check for any expiration dates or restrictions that might apply. Once your discount is applied, you can proceed to checkout by clicking the Checkout button. Follow the prompts to enter your shipping details and payment information. Before finalizing your purchase, review your order summary to make sure everything looks good, including the applied discount. Finally, confirm your order to complete the purchase. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.